Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 methods to increase your RAM memory in your Android device without root, without PC, without WLP. Easily you can have 2 GB more in your Android device as a virtual RAM, or you can have 4 GB of RAM memory, increase it on your phone, and as well you can have 8 GB of RAM memory, increase it to your phone, but that will depend the storage that you have in your phone. Alright, so that will depend the storage that you have in your Android device. So if I have 32 internal storage, I can use 8 GB for convert it into my RAM. This method is called swapper. It means that you can have 8 GB of RAM memory included in your phone, but that will not change in your Android device. That will not change in your system. This all is going only to change in your best performance, in your performance, and this will not have lags when you're playing, and when the game it's used all of the RAM in your Android device, you can use this virtual RAM. The virtual RAM will help you to have good performance in your Android using big apps that will stack your RAM memory. So remember to use this method. I highly recommend you to use just 2 GB of RAM memory to put that the swapper of 2 GB of RAM memory. Okay guys, so we have a good performance doing this process in your Android. So before we start the video, I should ask you, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video, like the video, and don't forget to share the video as well, and let's get started. So first of all, to do this process, what you need is just download one of the zip file that I will leave down there on the description. You can download one of them, then you can have download it and you can extract it. Okay, so and as well you need to download this Zarshiver from this Zarshiver, this app, the Zarshiver, and you have to download it and install it in your Android device. Okay, because we are going to use this Zarshiver to help us extract the zip files. All right, so then what we have to do is just we are going here on the system, because we need to make some changes as well on our system. Click on system and click on about phone. I mean, this will work for any Android device. All right, so then you're gonna click on build number around 7 times to enable here the developer options. Okay, then mark it and you have to look for developer option. You can choose it here, or you can simple find out here on the developer option. All right, then down here you're gonna find here the USB debugger mode. Click on it and then you're gonna click OK if asks. Then you have to enable this option, force full Genesis measurement, mark it and enable it. As well on logger buffer size, this option here, you're gonna click on it so you can put it on 1 MB. all right, so then you need to enable this option as well here, enable GPU debugger layers, enable this option as well. Then let's go down here and you have to activate this 3 option here. If your RAM is less than 1 GB of RAM, you have to put it all in 0.5, right? Put all of this in 0.5. Then if your RAM is less than 500 of MBs, so you're gonna turn off this animation by clicking in this option here, animation off. All right, then you have to click on this force GPU rendering. Click on it, enable the option. Then you need to enable this option as well here, force 4x MSAA. All right, click on it as well. You're gonna put here, you're gonna click on it on this option, background process limit. Click on it, no background process. Okay, then you need to return here, and then now is the time to click on our Zarshiver. Open up the Zarshiver, then you need to extract the folder that I said. So let's go here on the downloads, the folder download that we downloaded the all. I have here all, you know, as you can see, 8 GB, you have 4 GB, and you have here the 2 GB of RAM. You can increase it. To download them, you need just 1 GB to download all of them. As you can see, we need just 1 GB. You don't need too much storage to download 4 GB or 2 GB or 8 GB of RAM swap. Okay, these files will help you to have a good and best performance. I remember you, this will not change in your system, so watch the video till the end so to not miss anything here on the steps. So now let's open it up here in the folder that we downloaded, the one of the file here. I'm going to extract here the 2 GB of RAM. I'm going to press on it, press the 2 GB of RAM swap or any of these files here, press and click on extract. I mean, just click on it and click here on extract to this option. Click and wait to extraction finish. So I want to just remember you, this will reboot your phone after installation. After extraction, this will reboot your phone, so be careful. And so if you were doing something, you have to stop it and save your works, then because this process will restart your phone. Okay, so now let's just wait for the extraction finish. I will be back right away. Alright guys, I have here extracted my file, 2 GB of RAM swap. I'm gonna open it up, check it out if the file has already extracted on my phone. Alright, as you can see, I have here about 2 GB of RAM on my device. So the next step that we are going to do, you have to go back here on the main and you have to create a new folder here, name it swapper. I'm going just to create the folder, name it swapper, by clicking on this plus icon here and then click on the new folder. Then you have to put the name here as swapper, click on it, click OK. Let's check it out if the folder swapper is already created. As you can see, the folder swapper is right here. Swapper, where is it? Swapper. Alright, let's move this file that we started. Let's move it. Swap swp cut. Then you're gonna put here on the folder swapper. As you can see, easily you moved it and this will work for everyone. As you see, my phone is now it has good performance, and you can do this process and check it out if your phone is working properly and you have best performance in your games in your games and your big applications. So guys, I will be stopping from here, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Like the video and see you on the next one.